What is a do follow link? Suppose I have a website which sells all the types of mobile devices, iPhone, Samsung, and everything. My phone company.com. It will have a URL http colon and then forward slash. This is my company URL, and I want to advertise my company on the Facebook or on the Twitter so that the people will visit my company's website and they will buy the phone and the devices. What I will do is I will copy this entire website link and I will post it on the Facebook. So I have a, let's say, a Facebook account, and this is the area where I can post my daily updates. I will say best and cheap phones, and then I will insert the whole link over here, http colon my phone company.com. What will happen is as soon as I post this update, people will say, okay, there is a website which says cheap and best and the cheap phones, and then they will see this link and then they will click on the link. So here they are following the link, and that means they're going to my website through the update that I have posted on my Facebook. So people are able to follow my updates based on the link that I have provided to them. This is what called the do follow link. A no follow link, there is also a concept called no follow link. What it means is there will be a link, but that link will not be clickable. That will be a plain text and user will not be able to open any kind of a website through that link. Thank you very much.